Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for the love and the support. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. In today's video, I will be reviewing, unboxing, and using this L2Living 8.0L air fryer by D.World. Without any further delay, let's get right into the video. The hair fryer comes with the perfect instruction manual, so ensure that you read it. It also has a control panel. That is the first thing that you're going to see. It comes with the ready-made timer for chips, meat, nut, and the cake. It also have a warm option. It has a temperature key. It has a start or a pause key. It has the timing and it has the time key. This section will display the countdown of the timer and it will also display the temperature range. On the box you will see all of these. So it's an extra large capacity, 8.0 liters. It shows you the temperature control. It shows you the main body, the visible window, the bottom cover, and the handle for the basket or the basket handle. These informations can be found on the box. It says little or no oil for low calorie, low fat meals, rapid air convection technology, 30 minutes adjustable timer for cooking versatility, and auto off for added operational safety. It provides 80 to 200 degrees Celsius mechanical control for a wide range of cooking temperatures, cool touch housing for convenient adding, and a detachable lock with cover on the handle for added safety. Some more information that you would like to see include rapidly circulating hot air technology, 6.0 quart locking large fry basket. It cuts down 85% oil, precise temperature control. It has a built-in timer, 0 to 30 minutes, a removable non-stick basket and pan, 1080 watt motor, heats up quickly, and AC 110V, 50 or 60 HZ, and 1800W. Here you will see a short clip of the unboxing video, so what it looks like close up, what it comes with, and all that you need to see. This is the tray or the non-stick basket. If you look closely, you see the manual, and there's a lot of information in there for you. is a control panel that I've spoken earlier about. This is a up close view of how the air fryer looks inside. The control panel is pretty easy to use. Once you press the thing that you are using, like if it's the chips or the meat, you will see it blinking continuously until the meat or the chips is finished. You have that timer that you can set if you just want to pop something in for a few minutes as well. And you have the start button to turn it off if that's the case. If you want to use it again, then you can touch the start button and then press what you need to. I have rinsed out the air fryer and I'm about to add some fries and wedge. If you look closely, you will realize that these are frozen. So I am just going to put the timer on the chips and it's currently at 185. Once you put it on chips, I told you that it will continue to blink. Yeah, and it will be switching between the timer or the time itself and the temperature. And if you look closer, you will see that it's counting down. This is how it looks after a few minutes. So you can see that all the ice is gone. I'm going to pop it back in and let it continue to cook. Since I was doing this video, I checked it from time to time. So what I have realized is that whenever I pop it out and I put it back in, it seemed to go on warm, or it seems to stop eating up. So what I had to do was restart it a few times so it would be able to eat properly. But I think if it is a case that you leave the chips or whatever you have put in there for the entire time, then you won't have to stop and restart for it to it won't stop unless you open it. So once you open it, then it's going to, slow down. It is up to you to add a little olive oil or a little oil if you want. You can also add your seasoning so will taste better than just flat. It is up to you. So I'm going to remove these and add some nuggets. I haven't washed out the tray because I'm basically doing the same thing and it's at the same time. So I've popped in some nuggets. I did not get a chance to show you the end result only because I was filming at night and I got so hungry, so I decided to end it right there. But trust me when I say this was truly amazing. Thank you guys so much for always tuning in. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, bye!